The latest release of DecoNetwork delivers serious improvements to the batch production feature that make it easier to process orders in bulk after a sales cycle. These improvements are a great companion to the Team Stores feature. Let's jump into our website section in the admin area and select our store that we want to configure with batch production. From the administration section, we'll choose production options, and we can go ahead and enable batch production for this site. Once you've enabled batch production, you can determine when you want orders to flow into production. You can have them go straight into the production process. You can have orders be put on hold until you manually move them into production. Or you can have orders be automatically moved into production at a specific date or until the store's close date. Let's go ahead and choose the store close option, and any orders created after the store close date will be put on hold. Now that we've enabled batch production for this site, let's jump into Business Hub and take a look at the improvements there. You'll notice on the left-hand side navigation, you have a new batch store section. From this list, you can view a specific store. This individual store screen allows you to move orders into production, raise purchase orders for the items required to fulfill these orders, download worksheets, and mark orders as produced and shipped in bulk. In addition to this screen here, the purchase orders section has also been enhanced to allow you to create consolidated purchase orders for a specific store. Overall, these enhancements to the batch production feature will make it easier for you to keep track of them and faster to get them out the door.